Hey, our next guest is one of the most exciting young swimmers in the country, and her story is as inspiring as it is impressive. Carli Cronk holds 26 American records, 7 world records in deaf swimming. She made history at the 2022 Deaf Olympics with a record-setting 12 gold medals and was named the Deaf International Committee's Sportswoman of the Year that same year. And now a freshman on Notre Dame's swimming and diving team, Carli continues to shine, recently breaking one of the oldest records in program history in the 400-yard individual medley. With a growing list of accolades and her sights set on the 2028 Olympics, her journey is one of talent, resilience, and unstoppable momentum. And we get to welcome Carli to Notre Dame Day. Good to meet you. Nice to see you, Carli.
You too.
I have to start with a full Notre Dame introduction. Tell me your hometown, everything about what you're majoring in, and what you love about Notre Dame.
So I'm from San Antonio, Texas, and I'm majoring in business analytics with a minor in innovation and entrepreneurship. And then Notre Dame, I just love the people. I love the team. That's what brought me here. It's just like, it's something special. It's not something that I'm really happy to be a part of.
You're an inspiration in so many ways, but not long after arriving on campus, you did something pretty special. You broke one of the school's oldest records. So can you tell us about what happened in the pool that day and what you felt like after that happened?
Honestly, I just kind of went for it. I had a lot of support from my coaches and my whole team. It was a goal that I had set my mind on, and I really wanted to do it, so I went for it. And that same day, I was still in the water, and I could see all my teammates jumping up and down cheering. And one of my teammates came up to me on the blocks and like gave me the biggest hug while I was in the water. And it's just, that moment was so special and so surreal.
That had to be the moment when you knew this was it. Now, college athletics brings on a whole new level of challenges. Have you been able to adjust to life as a student here on campus? And what has helped you stay grounded?
I've been able to adjust very well. We have a very good support staff that helps you. There's a lot of accommodations. And to keep me grounded, honestly, the team and all the other student athletes you meet a lot of people, and everyone's in the same boat, and everyone just wants to help everyone.
Oh, and you get a lot of help. You're doing this interview right now primarily by reading my lips, but you also have some devices, and to know that those accommodations are available to you, that has to be a big help, doesn't it?
Yes, it is a very big help.
Now, you've achieved so much already. So what are some of the goals, both short-term and long-term, for you here at Notre Dame and beyond?
Short-term is just to hopefully break some more records, get some time dropped. Long-term is to build this team. I think it's really special, and I'm really excited to see what it grows into.
I touched on it, Olympics 2028.
It would be a dream. It's something that we're reaching for.
Oh, we're excited for you. Finally, for young athletes, Carli, especially for those in the deaf or the hard of hearing community, what would be a piece of encouragement or advice that you might have for them, especially if someone is training to maybe further their career?
Don't limit yourself. Honestly, you are your worst enemy. You're the one telling yourself that you can't do it. So just go out, go do it. If you have a goal, reach for it.
Well, you have inspired so many people. I'm going to be watching for your name and watching for your videos in the future. You're such an accomplished young student, and you're just a freshman, so look out, world, right?
Yep.
Thank you for being a part of Notre Dame Day.
Thank you for having me.